Hello friends, so today I'm gonna join with you guys in a unboxing video. So as you guys can see, so the product is Eken H6s action camera. So first, if you check this box, you can see there are some special features in this box. So here you can see EIS, that means electronic image stabilization, and it's a 14 megapixel camera, and this action camera has Wi-Fi feature, and there is dual screens, and it is 4K, and it is waterproof, up to 30 meters. So, and in the side view you can see some features like waterproof housing, frame, tripod mounts, uh, and some mounts, handlebars and remote. So in the behind the casing also you can see the 2-inch LED screen, wide angle lenses, HDMI, waterproof and long lasting battery. So basically these are the uh, main features in this camera. So this is the complete outlook of this camera. So as you can see, now I have removed the box of this camera. So it comes with the waterproof casing. So first we have to take the camera out of this case, and for that you have to flip this up and press here and push backwards. I think it's better if you first take the inner box out. So let me fix my mobile phone here so you can see clearly. So first you have to take this inner black box. Okay, now it's easy. So then you can press here and press backwards. Okay, now you can see the camera. So